Ciao, and welcome to Lemon Branch Travel's guide on how to ride and navigate trains in Italy. Whether you're planning a scenic journey through the countryside or exploring vibrant cities like Rome, Florence, or Venice, Italy's train system offers a convenient and efficient way to travel. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your train experience smooth and enjoyable. Let's start by discussing ticketing. One of the simplest ways to purchase train tickets in Italy is through the Trenitalia app. Just download the app, select your departure and arrival stations, choose your travel date and time, and complete your purchase using a credit or debit card. Plus, you can save your tickets directly to your smartphone for easy access. Once you've secured your ticket, it's time to head to the train station. Remember to arrive at least 30 minutes before your scheduled departure time. Italian trains are renowned for their punctuality, so being on time is crucial, and trust me, trains don't wait. Now, before we delve into boarding the train, let's discuss ticket validation. If you've purchased a paper ticket, whether it's for a single journey or a multi-day pass, it's vital to validate it before boarding. Validation ensures your ticket is activated for use and helps prevent fare evasion. You'll find ticket validation kiosks conveniently situated near the platforms. Simply insert your paper ticket into the machine and it will stamp the date and time indicating your journey has officially begun. Remember, failing to validate your ticket can result in fines, so don't skip this step. Alternatively, if you purchase your ticket through the Trenitalia app, there is no need to worry about validation. Tickets bought electronically via the app are automatically activated upon purchase. This means you can simply display your digital ticket on your smartphone when asked by a conductor. Before we board, let's talk about how to know which train to catch. Italian train stations can be bustling hubs of activity, but fear not. Monitors are located throughout the station and display real-time information about departing trains, including their platform numbers and departure times. These monitors are your best friend when it comes to finding the right train. Minutes before departure, the platform number for your train will be displayed on these monitors. It's essential to keep a close eye on these displays, as platforms can sometimes change at the last minute. Once you see your train listed, it's time to hustle to the designated platform. Remember, Italian trains run on tight schedules, so it's crucial to arrive at the platform with enough time to board before the train departs. If you're unsure about which platform to go to or have any questions, don't hesitate to ask station staff or fellow passengers for assistance. Italians are known for their warmth and hospitality and are often happy to lend a hand to travelers in need. Now let's talk about luggage. Whether you're traveling with a small carry-on or a larger suitcase, there are designated areas on the train where you can store your belongings. For smaller items such as backpacks or handbags, even up to medium-sized luggage, overhead racks are available above your seat. For the larger suitcases, there are spacious luggage compartments at the end of each train car, or in some train cabins there are spaces between the seats that are back-to-back. Once you're on board and luggage is secure, it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Italian trains travel at speeds up to 250 kilometers per hour, or about 155 miles per hour, so you'll reach your destination in no time. As you travel, pay attention to the monitors located in each train car. These monitors display important information such as upcoming trains, arrival times, and connecting trains. They're incredibly helpful for knowing where you are along your journey. As your stop approaches, it's crucial to be well prepared. About 5 minutes before reaching the next station, you'll notice passengers who are disembarking stand up, gather their belongings, and position themselves near the aisles and doorways. This ensures a swift exit and avoids getting caught on board. The key to feeling unrushed is attentiveness and readiness. By paying close attention to announcements and being prepared, there's no need to worry about missing your stop. And there you have it. With these tips, you're ready to ride and navigate trains in Italy like a pro. Remember to purchase your tickets through the Trenitalia app for a hassle-free experience. Arrive on time, store your luggage properly, and be prepared to get off the train efficiently. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, Italy's train system offers a convenient and enjoyable way to explore this beautiful country. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an update. And be sure to check out our other Italy video series for even more adventures. See you on the next video. Ciao.